Energy efficiency, the gigaton opportunity we're wasting. The International Energy Agency says smarter energy use could cut 7 billion tons of carbon in just 5 years, yet we're capturing barely a fraction. True craft takes time. A professional violinist logs thousands of hours before anyone pays to hear a single note. Now imagine this player charging the same ticket price after a week-long workshop and a multiple-choice quiz. That's the state of energy auditing. 4.5 days in a classroom, a 4-hour test, and you're certified to steer million-dollar retrofit decisions. No wonder the potential of energy efficiency is not being realized. We simply don't have the people with the deep skills needed to provide quality energy efficiency advice, and poor quality audits mean projects stall. Germany, 61% of firms act on none of the recommendations. The US finds half of no-cost fixes never implemented. Billions in wasted energy, gigatons still in the sky. It doesn't have to stay this way. Deeper, 160-hour training with real project assessment is rewriting the playbook. So auditors are on their way to performing like concert soloists, not bedroom wannabes. Dive into the evidence and see how raising the bar on audit skills can unlock the first fuel we never used, investment-grade energy auditor certification, turning advice into action.